Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Lachelle Trends, and in today's video I am coming to you with a wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing. This unit is from Alipearl. I will have them linked in the description box below along with the link to this unit. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So the unit came in this box. Inside of the box was this little bag. The bag turned out to be like this little scarf slash headband thing. It as well came with an elastic band along with the bag to put the unit in, as well as an edge brush along with a wig cap and then some cute lashes. So the unit I have is their 24-inch curly wig. It has a 4x7 lace closure. It's 180% density with a medium wig cap. This is what the unit is giving straight out of the package with no product added. It is as well a pre-cut unit. This is a wear and go unit that you can just put onto your head. In the inside of the cap you have two combs, one in the middle and one at the bottom. On the sides it has like this elastic grip to where you can grip. It grips the side of your head. It as well comes with that elastic band because again this is glueless and it just provides more security. The unit says that it comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked, but I am going to show you what the knots look like. I did go ahead and bleach my knots. You can do what you want, but the lace looks really good, y'all, and it is definitely pre-plucked. Like, I did not pluck this unit at all. This is what the unit looks like after I washed it. I like to wash my curly units, especially because it just gives the best curls in the end. So I'm starting off by tinting my lace with my lace tinting spray in the shade medium dark brown from the brand Red that I got from my local beauty supply store. And again, y'all, I'm just spraying that on the lace and then I'm going to put the unit on. So if you've been following me for a minute, you already know that I always do a slick down method when putting on my unit. I never do a braid down method, but you do as you please. As well, I do not put on a wig cap. So yeah, girl, now we're just going to go ahead and part this unit. I'm going to do a bust down middle part because that is just my go-to. Now I'm going to pin back this hair and kind of just straighten it out because it is a lot of flyaways. And then once I do that, I'm going to pull out some baby hair. Girl, it took me forever to get them baby hairs symmetrical in the way that I wanted them to. But anyways, now I'm going to go in using my wax stick and I'm going to put the wax all along the parting space as well as the front and then start hot combing. So I'm done hot combing for now because you know how I am with the hot comb. I'm very heavy-handed. Anyways, now I'm going in with some mousse, and the mousse is just to lay everything down. Again, I told y'all it was a lot of flyaways, and I just want that slick look, especially because it's wet and wavy hair. As well, the mousse kind of provides like this tacky feeling and it melts it into my skin. I don't even know if that makes sense, but in my head it makes sense and it just looks so much better, again, because we're wearing this unit glueless. So yeah, we're just gonna add this mousse, and then after I add the mousse and get everything laid down, I'm gonna put on that elastic band. So I told y'all I'm heavy-handed with the hot comb, so I'm going in one more time with that hot comb just to, again, lay everything down flat. Now I'm going to go in with my Cantu curling cream, and I'm just going to literally put globs of this product onto the hair. Y'all, when I say it works so good with already pre-washed hair for curly hair, the curls come out so bomb. If you want to just leave it dry hair and then go in with the water bottle and do it, you can, but I'm telling you, wash the hair first and then just go in with the product. Comb it with a denim brush, and sis, when I say these curls are going to pop, they are definitely going to pop. So after I add the product, I do kind of scrunch up the hair just a little bit, and then to make my curls just pop, sis, I go in with my blow dryer and then kind of just point it down because I don't want the curls and the hair just going everywhere. And then I kind of scrunch it up just a little bit while I'm blow drying it. It just all depends, but just blow dry it basically just a little bit. You want that dampness. You don't want it to be soaking wet because my hair is literally soaking wet right now. I just want it a little damp, and then afterwards you kind of just air dry it out. Sis, chef kiss. When I say these curls come out so good, I don't know how I discovered this method. I literally just did it one day and realized how soft and pretty my curls was, and I never went back. So now I'm going to take off that elastic band, and then we're going to get into these baby hairs. I'm going to cut them and then lay them down with some more mousse. So now that I'm done with the baby hairs, I'm going to go in using my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to add some powder to my lace. This is just to make it blend seamlessly. Now I'm just cleaning everything up. I'm just a perfectionist, and these flyaways is just really doing me in. So I'm going in with some more mousse, and then afterwards I'm going to make sure everything just melts and put back on the elastic band. So I put on the elastic band for maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know. I went and did something, came back. We about to take it off. And then you guessed it. Yes, we're about to go in with that hot comb one more time because sis, we have to have this front looking right. Okay. So I'm just going to go in and clean everything up one more time. And voila, sis, this is what the unit is giving. And girl, this unit is bomb. We look so good. The lace looks so good. Like, sis, you cannot tell me that this is not coming from my scalp. Like, it is not even glued down. sis, the hairline is definitely giving, and it's literally to my head. Like, it is stuck to my head. I'm sorry I didn't shake it to show you guys, but when I say this is on my head, like, it's not going anywhere. We look good, okay? The unit has minimal shedding. It shedded just a little bit while putting the products in. That's to be expected. It's curly hair, you expect some type of shedding, but other than that, the unit is bomb. Like, I have no complaints. I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, sis, and I will see you in the next video, girl. Bye.